Hey guys, it's Alex and I'm back with another YouTube video. I wanted to make a quick video on reviewing and kind of giving a little explanation on the fuel ethanol sensor. As if you don't know, these cars, you can squeeze a lot of power out of them if you use E85, even on the stock fuel system. But as I was saying, I wanted to review the fuel ethanol sensor. It's very convenient, to be honest. There's a lot of more options on the market right now, but this one is the one I went with as I got it a few months ago or so. But like I said, overall, I'm gonna tell you right now, personally, I've had zero issues with this ethanol sensor, and in the install, everything, it's been very good to me. But it is an app that you get since it's Bluetooth in the engine bay, but the convenient thing about it is that you could just go on your phone and you can just look at the ethanol content that your car has. But as you can see, there's quite a bit on the app. If I push connect, it'll show my ethanol content. Right now I'm just on normal 92 octane pump gas. They say that they use around 10% ethanol, and I mean, that's what it is reading. As you can see, E10. It even shows your fuel temperature. And then I've never really messed with this, but I believe it is kind of like a calculator or something for what ethanol content you want. But like I said, it is very convenient. And one good thing to know when you're switching to E85 on an RS3 or TTRS, or just a lot of cars in general, you don't have to drain your gas tank all the way to empty, or even drive past empty, you know. But like I said, yeah, it's very convenient. I've never messed with this right here. Now I want to go and show you guys how it looks like in the engine compartment. So in the engine compartment, it will be located over here. This is where you will install it. I did have to cut this fuel line right here. It was too long. I've heard of many people that had to cut theirs. No big deal, you just needed to come shorter. Cutting that will do just fine. Just clamp that down right and everything. And as far as the wiring goes for power, the sensor has a wire that goes from right here, connect it right there, and you route it all the way around however you'd like, as long as it gets to the fuse box. This is where it will get power. Let me open to this real quick. All right, so it will go into, in the instructions, it will tell you, it'll show you which one it should go into, but I put mine into this one right here, and as long as it's connected right there, it should be fine. I've had no issues with the power and nothing. So it's relatively simple. Your negative terminal will go into there, as you can see right there. It's a great option for an ethanol sensor if you want to have the ability to check it on your phone. Like I said, it's always been spot on for me, but I've heard of people's not being spot on, maybe being 1 to 5 off, more or less. But other than that, I mean, you could always check with just normal pump gas, see what it says, and from there you can just do your calculations. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the video. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate your guys' support. I'm going to be coming out with a lot more reviews on things that I've purchased for this car specifically, so stay tuned for that. I really like giving my opinion and my thoughts on what I've purchased for this car. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and that this review helped you guys in some sort of way. But that's gonna be it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.